Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gad Talks. Today I will be reviewing and talking about the Zeblaze Vibe 3. So I have two packages here, both of them have been unboxed before, so this won't be a new unboxing. Now the Zeblaze Vibe 3 comes with three colors, but I only have two here. It usually comes in burgundy, black, and blue. I only have the black and blue with me, so let's get started, and I will show you how these watches look like. I'm going to start by taking out the blue one, okay? So, this is what it comes like. It comes with the watch, very simple package. Simple but still decent. Comes with the instruction manual. It's gonna be a pretty extensive instruction manual, so it's definitely worth giving it a full read-through before, you know, getting into any of the watch's functions. Okay, so the watch comes with 4 buttons. Each of them do pretty distinct things. Now, if you want to first turn on the watch, you will want to press the S2 and S3 buttons simultaneously. So now it's off. Turn it back on. Now it's back on. Now this watch could connect to both Android and iPhone through Bluetooth, okay? So if you want to connect Bluetooth, you would want to use the S1 button over here. The instruction manual would actually name these buttons S1 from the left upper hand corner, S2 on the right hand upper corner, S3 lower left hand corner, and S4 the lower right hand corner. Okay, now if you want to connect to Bluetooth, you would want to long press the S1 button for about 3 seconds, and now you can see that the Bluetooth indicator is flashing. So what you want to do then is you want to connect your phone with this Bluetooth indicator on your watch. There's also an app that comes with managing this watch on your phone, which would be called the Sports Plus app, right? That's also going to be available in your Google Store or your iTunes Store. If you do not want to manually type in the name of the app, you can actually scan it right here. It's on the second page of your manual on the English version. Okay, so that makes it very easy if you just have a QR scanner on your phone and you can just scan it and it'll automatically install the app for you. Now, once you have actually the app installed, you want to press the S2 and S4 keys to access the data on your phone screen, okay? There's other functions as well. You can automatically sync the time to your app and your phone. If you want to press the S4 button right here on your lower right hand corner and 3 to adjust the value. So it seems like from the instruction manual that you can actually just sync the time from your phone to your watch, so you don't have to manually adjust it if you don't want to. There's also a stopwatch, alarm, and real-time sports data that can be synced with your watch. The sports data would include the step counts, calories, and distance. So if you're walking and you want to take it out for a basic fitness activities, you can do that, and you can expect this watch to pick up some of that basic data and connect it and record it onto your phone. You can also see incoming call messages and reminders. That's also going to be within your Sports Plus app, right? Additionally, you can also have a remote photographing function that's also going to be managed through your app. So it sounds like, downloading this app is very crucial to fully function your watch and take advantage of its features. So when you get this watch, do not forget to install the app. If not, it will really just function like a basic Timex watch. But if that's how you like it, that's okay too. Now this watch runs on a lithium battery, and it's not one of those smartwatches where you can actually recharge automatically through a cable. So obviously this battery is going to last for some time. It's going to be like your regular watch battery. So if the battery runs out, you would want to actually take off this cover to actually replace the battery manually, right? So let's see how this watch looks while you're wearing it. So this watch is definitely a little bit on the bigger side, as you can see on my wrist. It's not going to be one of those, smaller size smartwatches where it sits a lot more comfortably on your hand. But this one is definitely a little bigger. It's got a little bit of a rugged look to it. So, if you're outdoors much and you want to take your watch outdoors, this would be the watch for you. It is, I believe, the IP67 waterproof level. So it could, sustain some water without being damaged. So I would recommend this watch to anyone who likes to take their watch outside, want to do basic fitness functions. It's not really a formal watch, so that's not what I would recommend this watch for. Okay, so again, this watch comes in 3 colors. I only have 2 of them with me. I think both of them look really nice. It's got a silicone band and a pretty solid case too. It does not feel cheap. Okay. So this will conclude my quick review of the Zeblaze Vibe 3 here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel. And if you want to go ahead and proceed to purchase this watch, you can do so on Amazon or eBay through one of my affiliate links below. Disclaimer, I am an affiliate with Amazon or eBay, so if you do purchase through my links below, I will receive a commission at no extra cost to you. Okay, so this concludes my video. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you at the next video.